Hello everybody, welcome back to another latest Prime video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Safari cannot open the page because too many redirects occurred on your iPhone and iPads iOS 14 and 15. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, go back to your home screen. So there are 5 methods to solve this problem. So hopefully any of them will fix your problem as well. So let's start now. For first method, what you have to just open settings app on your device and then refresh your airplane mode from here, enable it, and after 15 to 20 seconds then disable it again, and then tap here on mobile data if you are using mobile data and check the mobile data toggle whether it's turned on or not. So if it's turned off, you have to turn this on, and if you are using a Wi-Fi connection, then tap here on Wi-Fi and check the Wi-Fi toggle whether it's on or not, and in case it's turned off, you have to turn this on or try another different Wi-Fi connection, disable this one and try another one, and then go back and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if this trick doesn't work for you, then go for the next one. For that, again open up settings app on your device here and then scroll it down and find Safari here. Here it is. Find and tap on Safari, and now scroll it down all the way, and here is the advanced, so tap it and then tap on website data, and from here remove all website data, so tap it and tap on remove now, and then go back, scroll it down and tap here on clear history and website data, and again confirm here on clear history and data, and then go back and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if this trick also doesn't work for you, then go for the next one. For that, again open settings app on your device and then tap on Safari again, and then scroll it down, and here is the block all cookies. You have to turn the toggle on for this, and now tap here on block all, and then go back and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if this trick also doesn't work for you, then go for the next one. For that, again open settings up on your device and then scroll it down and find and tap on general. Again scroll it down all the way and tap here on reset, and from here you have to reset network settings, so tap it, enter your passcode, and now tap here on reset network settings to confirm the process and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if any of these tricks doesn't work for you, then go for the final one. For that, what you have to do is just reboot your device by pressing the combination of the key according to your device, which version you are using. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.